The N.W.T. Court of Appeal is siding with Colville Lake on its interpretation of caribou management. On Tuesday, the court dismissed a legal challenge by the Northwest Territories government on that interpretation. This is just the latest in a years-long legal dispute over caribou conservation. The CBC's Luke Carroll has more.
This legal battle essentially comes down to whether traditional knowledge can be used as a viable conservation plan. The N.W.T. Court of Appeal says it can. The N.W.T. government's legal challenge of Colville Lake's conservation management plan was centered around the tag and quota system, known as the total allowable harvest. This is a rule that limits harvesters to a certain percentage of the caribou population. So for Colville Lake, since 2008, harvesters can only hunt 4% of the herd annually. But in 2019, Colville Lake submitted a different plan to the Sawtooth Renewable Resource Board. It was based on cultural and traditional values. The Sawtooth Renewable Resource Board accepted it, but the N.W.T. Environment and Renewable Resource Minister at the time did not. This led to years of legal battles between Colville Lake and the N.W.T. government. The battles ended on Tuesday when an appeal court ruled that the total allowable harvest isn't the only option for managing caribou. This means Colville Lake can submit its own management plan.
N.W.T. has always kept us. It's always kept us going. A lot of the things that we did was, making sure that everything was always provided for the future, the next generation.
CBC News reached out to the current N.W.T. Environment Minister, Jay McDonald, about the decision. In an emailed statement, he said he is reviewing its implications with the department and will do so before determining any next steps. Now, ultimately, Colville Lake's management plan would still need to be accepted by the Sawtooth Renewable Resources Board and the N.W.T. Environment Minister. Luke Carroll, CBC News, Yellowknife.